Initially, Resident Shirvan Aliyev held a press conference in the IRFS Media Center to speak about the lack of investigation into the burglary at his home, which took place in January 2011. According to Shirvan Aliyev, the thief stole jewelry worth 8,000 manat. However, the police did nothing to investigate the fact or find the traces of the burglar. Deputy Chief of the Police Office Agil Tagiev required 2,000 manat to hire an expert from Baku to investigate the fact. Aliyev said that the police disregarded his suspicion that the burglar might be his neighbor, as the man is a relative of the Deputy Police Chief. His appeals to the Ministry of National Security, the Ombudsman's Office and the President remain unresponded to. As for the Interior Ministry, it says that the investigation is ongoing, but the criminal is yet to be found. Aliyev believes that the police are involved in the burglary, therefore they are not interested in solving the case. Moreover, the amount of the stolen jewelry is estimated at 5,000 manat by the police, which causes the victim to doubt that the police were the thief's accomplice. Aliyev cited Imishli police as reporting that a suspect has been detained in connection with the burglary. However, Aliyev does not believe that this man is the real thief.